Yes, again, dear students, good morning, all of you. Let's see the some exchange of the central significance in human life regarding about money. Individual not produce all goods, depend upon other satisfaction of want. This is implies interdependence. Interdependence implies exchange. Already I told in the video, the accepted medium of called money, commonly accepted the medium of exchange, and without an economy exchange without intervention of money refer to it was barter system. Just I told you in the video, barter before that was a barter system. The system exchange of goods for goods. This is the main point here. Exchange of goods for goods. An economy there was a barter system is called. Take care always. This is a one mark question may become C2C economy. Barter system is a direct exchange of commodity for commodity, and there is a some practical, it can be practical only if there is a found double coincidence of a want. This is the features of barter system and demerit also double coincidence. After that I would share with you what do you mean by double coincidence. A double coincident one does not exist, there will be huge trading cost in the barter system. Let's see the demerit of barter system. The searching cost. Obviously, we want to exchange of goods. For that, we have need to search a person who want to exchange the same goods or other goods to us. It is a physical cost. Searching a person willing and prepared for a exchange of goods. Also, it is a cost of deterioration caused goods during search periods. Lost of the goods. This is called lost of the goods during the searching period. Disutility of waiting. It refers to discomfort one would have to undergo in spending more time effort in searching for a person, both needs and goods. This is a disutility or this is a loss of the goods and wastage of the time to search a person. Let's see some demerit of the barter system or drawback in the barter system. The first importance was given to the main importance to double coincidence. See, you can understand double coincidence mean the two person the fulfill mutual wants by buyer and seller is known as double coincidence of want. Mean the both at the same time both person buyer and seller they want to ready to exchange their goods. It is found then we can success of the barter system. Other this is not found if the wastage and this is become the negative point of the barter system. It is difficult to come across double coincidence of one. It's a rare chance that both person are ready to exchange their goods at the same common unit. It means that very difficult for the owner of good services find someone else who wanted both his goods and services more than anything else. So it was that become negative font because like is I want to purchase something but mean that second person was not ready, second person not ready to purchase the same goods which I have. This is become the negative point. Both person like A or B person, A is ready to purchase the goods, B is also ready to share the goods, to exchange the goods with the A. Then we can understand it's a fulfillment or it is a proof that efficient in the barter system. Otherwise, it become inefficient. Second demerit of the barter system, it is a in absence of the common unit of measurement, lack of common units. Common units like is a one person have something, so we don't know what is the exact value of our goods. So this is become the lack of common unit of the value. Evaluation of goods and services is not a possible. Proper account is not possible. Obviously that there is a no account and we have the no record of exchange of goods and services in the economy, we cannot measure GDP. So this is become negative point and this is the drawback of the barter system. Difficult of the future payment or that is the contractual payment. We know very well in the barter in the money system to do with what we have purchased after 1 day 2 days or 1 month 6 months we have need to pay that amount, but it create problem in the barter system because lack of any satisfactory unit, problem borrowing and lending, salaries, interest, loan, credit transaction, disagreement regarding quality of goods, disagreement regarding specific type of goods, mean that we have no any record and we have like that I have taken some wheat from that person and I promise that person कि after 6 months I'll give the animal. By chance maybe unexpected loss come in the that if you look at disaster may become how to pay that person, so there is no agreement regarding the future payments or contractual payment regarding the money or return the what we have purchased from that person, mean regarding the borrowing, lending, salaries and other type of the actions that is not possible within the barter system. Difficult of the storage and the value and transfer of value. We know very well it is difficult to store. No doubt we can store, but for that we have need large space and large space again. And that in the past that was not possible. You know that even that house was not available for the people. How to think about the storage of the goods? So in case of commodity, it's difficult for people to store their purchasing power. It involves costly storage. Depreciation also may be the value of the store commodity. So it was also the storage problem, transfer of problem. Transfer means that we want to send the goods from the Haryana to Delhi, Delhi to Punjab, or Punjab may be that Mumbai. How that it was possible? Nothing, because that heavy goods, more transportation during that time, that was not a road system. So in that barter system it was also a difficult point I can say here. Transfer of value was not possible. Transfer of value of goods from one place was that far away was not possible. Lack of divisibility in commonly exchange, difficulty of dividing the commodity arising if car is to exchange for scooter, then car cannot be divided. Sometime it's a good point that I have purchased wheat from that person say that I have the animal, but animal was value far than the wheat. How can divide the animal into two part? Like example one is also if car is to exchange for scooter, then car cannot be divided. Similarly, animal cannot be divided into smaller part. So it was also difficulty, lack of divisibility in the barter system. So up to now, please check again. There's some problem in the barter system. The first point is a double coincidence. Then second point, a lack of common unit. Future payment, it also called a futuristic payment, or one is also contractual payment. One is difficult to storage value, transfer of value, lack of divisibility. These are the some demerit. Again you just watch video 2 and 3 times and you prepare notes in your fair notebook. Thank you dear friends.